welcome to KSGIndia.com. First ever cargo ferry with the Maldives. The first ever cargo ferry service between India and the Maldives was jointly launched on September 21, 2020, opening a new chapter in the connectivity initiatives in the Indian Ocean region. The ceremony was also attended by the representatives from Tuticorin and Cochin ports, as well as the officials from the Maldives Ports Limited and the Foreign Ministry of Maldives. Going into the details, the cargo ferry vessel MCP Linz, operated by the Shipping Corporation of India, will connect Tuticorin and Cochin ports in India with Kulhudufushi and Mail ports in the Maldives. The vessel is expected to arrive in Kulhudufushi on September 26th and Mail on September 28th. The MCP Linz is a combination vessel which can carry 380 TEUs and 3000 MT on bulk cargo and will have a turnaround time of 10 to 12 days for its voyages. This vessel provides direct cargo connectivity between the India and the Maldives on a predictable and affordable basis for the first time and will lower costs and times for traders in both countries. The cargo ferry service is visioned as a key instrument to upgrade the trade partnership and unfettered logistics on both the sides. Alongside the expansion of Hanimadu Airport, the cargo ferry service connectivity to the northern port of Kulhudufushi will underpin the economic development of northern Maldives and facilitate investments in tourism and other engines of prosperity. The cargo ferry service is another commitment delivered by India to connect Indian and Maldivian markets, unlock the trade and investment potential between the two nations, and strengthen people-to-people contacts for mutual prosperity. In his address to the People's Majlis during the state visit to the Maldives in 2019 June, PM Narendra Modi announced India's commitment to start a ferry service connecting India and the Maldives. A memorandum of understanding was signed between the Ministry of Shipping in India and the Ministry of Transport and Civil Aviation in Maldives on the sidelines of the state visit. A team from SCI had visited Maldives in July 2019 to undertake preliminary studies. Thereafter, FICCI undertook a feasibility study on a cargo ferry service between India and the Maldives earlier this year. The decision to commence the cargo ferry service between the two nations was announced during a virtual meeting between Foreign Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and Foreign Minister Abdullah Shahid on August 13th. To begin with, India will subsidize the service at approximately $3 million. Nourished by close historical and cultural ties, Indians and the Maldivians have traded for centuries. Yet, India is the only fourth largest trading partner of the Maldives today. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much for watching KSGIndia.com. Stay tuned for more informative and updated videos.